Hi, my name's Rosalind and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to social media and looking to learn digital life skills, then you're in the right place. This video is on how to animate emojis. You're probably familiar with the original emojis, which are a smiley face or a thumbs up symbol or something like that. But then they have animojis, which is an emoji of an animal, and then the latest one is a memoji. Now, a memoji is a caricature of a person, basically, and something that you can make yourself using your iPhone. Now, if you have an iPhone X or newer, then you will be able to see the camera when you're making your emojis, and you'll actually be able to get the memoji to mirror you and make those actions. Now, I'm going to be doing this video on the iPhone 7 Plus, and I don't have that option available to me, but I am going to show you how to animate emojis and memojis. So hopefully at the end of this video, you'll be able to have a bit of fun and try making one yourself. So let's get into the video. So to use an emoji, we need to be in an app that has the keyboard. So something like Messages or email or WhatsApp. I'm going to use Messages. So if we go to create a new message, we need to be clicked on the place where you're going to type your message. And then once you click on that, that will then give you the keypad. So if we look down on the left hand corner of the keypad, you'll see there's next to 1, 2, 3, there's a little emoji smiley face. So if we click on that, we can then select that we want to choose the emojis. So if we click that, we will then get all the options of the emojis that are available to us, the smiley faces and all the hand gestures. So we can pick one and put it into the text box. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the little blue arrow key until we get this next option. Now this next option is asking how you would like your emoji animated. So if you just click your little dots as you go up, you can see what it's going to do to your emoji. It's going to change it, it's going to give it a slam dunk on the page, it's going to blow up the screen in a loud way. Now if you click on screen, it also gives you further options as to what it can do. It can add balloons to it if it's somebody's birthday, it can throw confetti down on it if you're celebrating, give a heart to some romantic gesture. It can give it a spotlight, it can give it floodlights, it can send it with fireworks. There's so many different emojis, animations here that you can do. It's a shooting star. So what you need to do is you need to find one that you like that you want to use. And once you've found the one that you like, you then click on the blue arrow and it would embed this emoji with its animation in your text box. So once you've sent it, you'll then get a message saying it's been delivered. And then the recipient will get this message on their end and they'll be able to see the image with the animation that you've sent. And also if you look at this little firework one that we sent with the emoji with the hearts on it, that's a great one. So if you scroll across, there's loads of different emojis that you can use, and you can animate any of these in exactly the same way. But now we're going to look at a Memoji, which is a person or a caricature of a person, and how to make one of those. So when clicked into the text box, we need to click on those 3 little dots in the circle to bring up this wizard. And then we can start just going through and making the changes that we fancy. So here I've given this caricature some blue skin. I'm adding some blusher to the cheeks. And if we scroll down, you can see I can add a beauty spot. And then if we click on the next one, which is the hairstyle, I can choose a different colour for the hair. I can even click the colour wheel and make it orange or pink or whatever I fancy, and just scroll down and pick the style that I want. So we just need to keep going through, making the changes, adding all the different bits and pieces that we like to this image. So after the hairstyle, we get to do brows. We can do eyebrows, there's eyelashes, eyeliner, facial hair, facial shape, ears if we want them to wear some iPods or some earrings, or whatever we like. So just keep scrolling along those options at the top, making all your changes, making your decisions, until you're left with a caricature that you think you might quite like to use. So once you've done, just click done in the top right, and that will embed that to your emojis. So now this Memoji is embedded in your choice of options, you can scroll down and see varying different guises that they've given you to use. Now also you can just use it as it is, or like before, you can click on the text box, you can choose the picture you want to use, and you can animate it like we did. So if you click it and put it into the text box, you can then hold down your finger on the blue upward arrow and get the same animation options that we had before. Pick whichever one you want to use and click it to send it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a bit of fun, and I hope you enjoy making your own emojis to send to your friends and families. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up down below, and I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell to ensure you won't miss any new videos and an opportunity to learn new skills with me. Also, if you have any comments or any queries, please put them in the comments section down below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thanks again for watching this video, and until next time, bye.